Financial challenges often lead to difficult decisions about spending and saving. For individuals and families living in poverty, every dollar counts. Despite the need for careful budgeting, there are several common expenditures that can drain resources unnecessarily. In this video explores some of the things poor people waste their money on, aiming to provide insights that might help in making more informed financial decisions. 1. Lottery tickets and gambling. One of the most common ways poor people waste money is by purchasing lottery tickets and engaging in other forms of gambling. The allure of a big win can be irresistible, especially for those struggling to make ends meet. However, the odds of winning the lottery are astronomically low. For instance, the probability of winning a major lottery like Powerball is approximately 1 in 292 million. Regularly buying lottery tickets can quickly add up to significant expenditures with almost no return. 2. Fast food and convenience meals. Fast food and convenience meals are another major expenditure for many low-income families. These options often appear more affordable and quicker than preparing home-cooked meals, making them a tempting choice for those with limited time and resources. However, they tend to be less nutritious, often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to long-term health issues and higher medical costs. Moreover, the cost of convenience foods adds up, making them more expensive in the long run. Cooking at home, even with basic ingredients, can save money and promote healthier eating habits. Purchasing staples like rice, beans, pasta, and seasonal vegetables in bulk can significantly reduce meal costs. 3. Expensive electronics and gadgets. Keeping up with the latest technology can be a significant drain on finances. Smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets are often marketed aggressively, creating a sense of urgency to own the latest model. This constant push to upgrade can lead to unnecessary spending on devices that quickly depreciate and offer little return on investment. Instead of succumbing to marketing pressures, opting for less expensive models or buying secondhand can help save substantial amounts of money. These alternatives often provide comparable functionality at a fraction of the cost, allowing for better financial management without sacrificing technological benefits. 4. Brand name clothing and accessories. Fashion and status symbols can be tempting, especially for those who want to appear more affluent than they are. However, spending money on brand name clothing and accessories can quickly deplete limited funds, making it difficult to cover essential expenses. Fortunately, there are many affordable alternatives that offer similar styles and quality without the hefty price tag. Thrift stores, discount retailers, and sales can provide fashionable clothing at a fraction of the cost. By shopping smartly and taking advantage of these options, it's possible to maintain a stylish appearance while keeping financial priorities in check and preserving limited resources. 5. High-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans are often used to cover immediate expenses, but they come with high interest rates that can lead to a cycle of debt. The interest on these loans can accumulate quickly, making it difficult to pay off the principal amount. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions of any loan or credit agreement, and to seek lower interest alternatives when possible. Establishing a budget and sticking to it can also help avoid the need for such high-interest debt. 6. Subscription services. Many people sign up for subscription services like streaming platforms, subscription boxes, and other monthly services without fully considering the cumulative cost. These services often appear affordable on an individual basis, making it easy to overlook how quickly they can add up to a significant expense over time. Without regular evaluation, the total cost of multiple subscriptions can drain a budget, diverting funds from more essential needs. By taking the time to review which subscriptions are truly necessary and canceling those that are not, individuals can free up money for more important expenses, such as groceries, utilities, and savings. This careful consideration of recurring expenses is a simple yet effective way to improve overall financial health. 7. Alcohol and tobacco. Spending on alcohol and tobacco can significantly impact a household's budget. These items, though often seen as small, frequent purchases, add up quickly over time, diverting funds that could be used for more essential needs like food, housing, or savings. Additionally, alcohol and tobacco are not only expensive but also detrimental to health, leading to a range of medical issues such as heart disease, cancer, and respiratory problems. These health issues can result in higher medical costs in the future, creating a financial burden that compounds the immediate expense of these products. Reducing or eliminating the consumption of alcohol and tobacco can lead to substantial financial savings. Moreover, it can improve overall well-being, enhancing quality of life, and potentially extending lifespan. The money saved from cutting out these habits can be redirected towards healthier lifestyle choices, investments in education, or other areas that contribute to long-term financial stability and personal growth. 8. Non-essential transportation costs. Owning and maintaining a car can be a significant financial burden, especially for those living in areas with reliable public transportation. Expenses such as gas, insurance, maintenance, and parking fees add up quickly, consuming a large portion of a household's budget. In urban areas where public transportation is readily available, opting for buses, trains, or trams can be a more cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. Additionally, carpooling with friends or colleagues and using rideshare services only when necessary can help reduce transportation costs. By minimizing the reliance on a personal vehicle, individuals can save money, reduce stress related to car ownership, and allocate their financial resources more efficiently towards other essential needs. 9. Impulse purchases. Impulse buying is a common financial pitfall that can quickly derail a budget. Stores and online retailers use various marketing tactics, such as limited-time offers and flashy advertisements, to encourage spontaneous purchases. These tactics create a sense of urgency and excitement, leading consumers to buy items they do not necessarily need. To combat this, creating and adhering to a shopping list can help focus spending on essential items, reducing the likelihood of impulse buys. Additionally, implementing a 24-hour waiting period before making non-essential purchases allows time to reflect on whether the item is truly needed, helping to avoid unnecessary expenses and promoting more mindful spending habits. 10. Unused gym memberships. Joining a gym can be a worthwhile investment in health, but only if the membership is used regularly. Many people sign up for gym memberships with good intentions, but fail to attend consistently. This results in a monthly expense with no return. Exploring free or low-cost alternatives, such as outdoor exercise, home workouts, or community fitness programs, can provide the same benefits without the financial commitment. 11. Bank fees and charges. Overdraft fees, ATM fees, and other bank charges can add up quickly, significantly impacting a household's budget. These fees are often avoidable with careful account management. Setting up alerts for low balances can help you keep track of your funds and avoid accidental overdrafts. Using in-network ATMs can prevent unnecessary withdrawal fees, and maintaining a budget ensures you are aware of your spending limits. Additionally, some banks offer accounts specifically designed for low-income customers, which come with lower fees and fewer charges. Researching and switching to a more affordable banking option can lead to significant savings. By taking these steps, individuals can better manage their finances and minimize unnecessary banking expenses. 12. Energy inefficiency. Poor energy efficiency in the home can lead to high utility bills. Simple measures like sealing windows and doors, using energy-efficient appliances, and practicing energy-saving habits can significantly reduce these costs. Many utility companies offer free or low-cost energy audits and assistance programs to help low-income families improve their home's energy efficiency. 13. Extended warranties and insurance plans. Retailers often push extended warranties and additional insurance plans for electronics and appliances. While these plans can provide peace of mind, they are often not worth the cost. Many products come with manufacturer warranties that cover most issues. Additionally, the cost of repairs is often less than the price of an extended warranty. Assessing the likelihood and cost of potential repairs can help determine if these plans are necessary. 14. Vices and non-essential luxuries. Vices such as excessive spending on entertainment, dining out, and other non-essential luxuries can strain a limited budget. While it's important to enjoy life and have some leisure activities, moderation is key. Setting a budget for entertainment and sticking to it can ensure that these expenditures do not negatively impact essential needs. Understanding and addressing these common financial pitfalls can help those living in poverty manage their money more effectively. By making more informed choices and prioritizing essential needs over non-essential wants, it's possible to stretch limited resources further and improve overall financial stability. Small changes in spending habits can lead to significant savings over time, providing a buffer against financial emergencies and helping to break the cycle of poverty. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.